Hey friends, if notifications are not working on Windows 11, then I will guide you through a few solutions. First of all, right click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to the Systems tab on the list on the left hand side and select Notifications in the right pane. We have a notification switch here. If it's switched off, the notifications will be off, and if it's on, the notifications will be on. But if this switch for Do Not Disturb is on, then all notifications will be off. Another thing is that there is a focus application under system. If this focus session is started, then notifications will be off. So you have to make sure that it's paused or it is stopped, and in that case notifications will be on. So this is how it works. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.